Transpod. In 2013, Elon Musk came up with a thrilling concept called the Hyperloop, a super-fast train zooming through a vacuum. It's still in the testing phase and not quite ready for real-world use yet, but there's an exciting twist. A Canadian company named Transpod is stepping up as a potential rival to Musk's futuristic train. They're working on a similar idea, using magnetically levitating pods whizzing through vacuum tunnels at speeds close to 1,000 kilometers per hour. This could turn out to be a cheaper way to travel than flying. Imagine hopping into a pod with 53 other people and zipping off to your destination, with pods leaving as often as every 2 minutes. Investors are really into this idea, valuing Transpod's project at a hopping $18 billion back in 2020. Space Forge Pridwen. In 2021, a groundbreaking heat shield technology for rockets, charmingly named Pridwen after King Arthur's legendary shield, made a big splash in the investment world, securing a cool $10 million. This cutting-edge technology is set to be tested with SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket. What's special about Pridwen is its role in slowing down the spacecraft and its ability to ditch the old-school parachutes for smaller satellites. This not only cuts costs, but also paves the way for more efficient space production. The real game changer here is its potential to revolutionize how we handle logistics in space and spur the creation of high-value products like advanced superconductors and new medicines. This tech is not just about reaching new heights, it's about expanding the horizons of what we can make and do in space. Geely Homtruck plus hydro hauler Geely, a pioneering Chinese company, has unveiled an electrifying concept, the Homtruck. This isn't just any electric truck. It's a rolling home office hybrid complete with all the essentials: a kitchen, a washing machine, and even a shower. Talk about taking your work on the road. It boasts an impressive range, promising to cover 1,100 kilometers on a single charge. But that's not all. Geely is already looking ahead with plans for future hybrid versions, including one powered by methanol. Aimed for a 2024 launch, this truck isn't just smart in design, it's also smart on the road with level 4 autonomy capabilities. Meanwhile, over in the US, a creative freelance artist has dreamed up a futuristic truck specifically for hauling race cars. This design takes its cues from the sleek, high-speed world of hypercars, marrying form and function in a concept that's as much about style as it is about transportation. Vision Meta. A visionary designer on Behance has proposed an innovative overhaul of transportation architecture, looking into the future of cars. This concept is a blend of high-tech and user comfort, centering around 2 key features: integrated autopilot and a unified cloud system. The idea is to sync vehicles seamlessly with a cloud network, enhancing communication and efficiency. But it's not just about the tech. The design gives a nod to bionics, focusing on energy efficiency to make these vehicles more sustainable. And when it comes to passenger experience, comfort is king. Imagine settling into a zero-gravity chair designed to provide the ultimate ergonomic comfort during your journey. This concept reimagines the car not just as a mode of transport, but as a space where convenience, efficiency, and comfort coexist in harmony. Dubai Healthcare City, Dubai is setting its sights on a groundbreaking project for 2050, a floating crescent-shaped island that's more than just a visual wonder. This island, covering an impressive 93,000 square meters, is designed to be a dynamic blend of medical, research, and educational facilities, all interlinked with sky-high walkways. It's not just for professionals, though. With 24 hotels and stunning vertical gardens, it's poised to become a magnet for tourists, too. This innovative hub promises to be a place where medical experts can collaborate and innovate, while also offering a unique travel experience. Absorbent Sandstorm Skyscraper. In a groundbreaking initiative, architects are developing skyscrapers with a dual purpose: to shield against sandstorms and to serve as hubs for research. These towers, with a budget exceeding $100 million, are uniquely designed to use magnetism to trap dust particles during sandstorms. When the skies are clear, these skyscrapers transform into bustling centers for research institutions, covering a wide array of academic fields. This innovative approach not only tackles the challenge of sandstorms, but also maximizes the use of space by fostering research and innovation. U-DEC. In the realm of nuclear reactor maintenance, a cutting-edge robotic pool cleaner has been developed specifically for decontaminating the pools that serve as biological shields and cooling zones for fuel rods. This high-tech robot boasts an impressive 95% cleaning efficiency, capable of thoroughly cleaning a pool within a 24-hour time frame. What makes it particularly appealing is its availability both for purchase and for hire, offering flexibility to nuclear facilities in managing their maintenance needs. This innovation represents a significant advancement in ensuring the safety and efficiency of nuclear reactors. Sinker 21C. A new hypercar is set to redefine the standards of high-performance vehicles. This limited edition marvel, powered by a formidable 1250 horsepower V8 engine, stakes its claim as the world's most technologically sophisticated car. Its construction, a blend of artificial intelligence and cutting-edge laser 3D printing techniques, achieves an impressive feat. A weight of just 1,250 kilograms, perfectly balancing power with agility. Catering to diverse preferences, 2 distinct versions are in the pipeline. One precision-tuned for the thrill of track racing, and another tailored for everyday road use. With an estimated price tag of $2 million, this hypercar is not just a statement in engineering excellence, but also a pinnacle of automotive luxury. Honda CB160E Plus Tarso TMC Dumont. In an astonishing feat of engineering, Brazil's Tarso Marques has created a motorcycle that stands out in both design and power. This remarkable bike is equipped with a Rolls-Royce aircraft engine, a choice that promises extraordinary performance. Adding to its unique appeal are its massive 36-inch wheels, combining to make a motorcycle that is as visually striking as it is powerful. There's a modern take on the classic Honda CB160, reimagined as an electric vehicle. This contemporary version is not just a nod to the past, but a leap into the future of motorcycling. It boasts an impressive range of 257 kilometers on a single charge, complemented by a top speed of 170 kilometers per hour. This electric adaptation demonstrates a commitment to eco-friendly innovation while maintaining the essence of a beloved classic. Drake Buccaneer. Star Citizen, the highly ambitious spaceflight simulation game, has reached a remarkable milestone in funding, amassing $550 million by early 2023. This impressive sum underscores the game's massive scale and the enthusiastic support from its community. A notable highlight in its expansive universe is the introduction of the Drake Buccaneer, a new addition to its fleet of spacecraft. Priced at $110, the Drake Buccaneer is a small fighter ship that offers players a glimpse into the potential future of spacecraft design. This ship, with its sleek aesthetics and advanced capabilities, reflects the game's commitment to creating a rich, immersive experience that pushes the boundaries of space simulation. The success of Star Citizen and its ongoing development, including innovations like the Drake Buccaneer, continues to captivate and engage the gaming community in exploring the vastness of space. AMV-211 TOL aircraft. Since 1996, a U.S. inventor has been working on an innovative aviation project that blends the characteristics of an airplane, helicopter, and convertiplane. This ambitious hybrid vehicle is propelled by a Mazda engine, a choice that suggests both reliability and efficiency. Its proposed specifications are noteworthy, boasting a range of 1,850 kilometers and a top cruising speed of 280 kilometers per hour. These features indicate a design that could potentially offer versatility in both speed and distance, catering to various transportation needs. However, it's important to note that there have been no recent updates on this project. The lack of current information could imply various things, such as developmental challenges, shifts in focus, or simply a hiatus in public communication. The concept, nevertheless, remains a fascinating example of the ongoing efforts to innovate in the field of aviation, merging different aircraft functionalities for potentially new and versatile modes of air transport. Bellwether Industries Antelope. The development of a UK-based flying hypercar represents a significant step forward in the evolution of transportation technology. This ambitious project has already demonstrated its potential through test flights in Dubai, where it achieved altitudes of up to 4 meters and speeds of 40 kilometers per hour. These initial tests mark a promising start for a vehicle that could redefine mobility in the future. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, has set a visionary goal for its transportation infrastructure, aiming for 30% of all transport to be unmanned by 2030. The advancement of this flying hypercar aligns seamlessly with the UAE's objectives, indicating a strong potential for collaboration and integration into their future transport ecosystem. This project not only showcases the possibilities of combining automotive and aerospace technology, but also reflects a broader global trend towards innovative, sustainable, and efficient transportation solutions. The progress of this flying hypercar will likely be a key component in the unfolding narrative of 21st century mobility.